Well, good morning, Moon. It's time to haul some wood today. You can't even see the trucks. Here's a truck. Ah, good morning, truck. Well, let's make sure it's in neutral here. Let's hit the key. It's kind of cold out this morning, 23 above, but she still started just fine. Not sure I'm going to be able to truck today. See those lights right here? We go over to the other side of the truck. There's no lights on there. I don't think we can truck today. Yeah, I got some wood to haul today off this block. Here's my pile. Frosty seat. Ooh, brand new gloves. First bucket full of quite a few. I see a forwarder back there. Ah, the forwarder left. He beat me. Oh, there's a stick back there. I just noticed somebody drugged something past this cow catcher. Scuffed her up. We use this gauge is hooked into this airbag suspension system on the trailer, and we can tell by how much pressure is in the bags as to how much the load weighs. Got a little frost on her. Part of my problem is I can't trust my gauge. My third axle lift wasn't working this morning, so I was trying to guess what it should weigh with the axle down, because with the axle up it's way more accurate. Right now it says I weigh about 84,000 pounds, but I'm gonna call it good. It's probably what it weighs, and I'll haul a light load for nothing, but I guess I'd rather be safe than sorry. Air binders. I'm gonna flip this switch. Still got more slack to go. So yeah, that's just a brake chamber. I built this little bracket, pushes down, pulls the chains tight, and there's you know, it's under air pressure, so it's allowed to expand, and therefore it keeps constant pressure on the chain. That should lift up better, but it doesn't. I gotta go out here and find the lock box and paint the numbers on the load and fill out the ticket, the consumer scale ticket. Hey, the frost has gone off the hood. Cool. See them ribbons right there? That's where the lock box is. That means I gotta fill out a ticket right here. If I go past this point without a ticket, they consider it theft. There it is, right there. Yeah, I better fill one out. I don't want to go back to jail. I'm just kidding. Never been in jail. Never plan on it. And this part of the stub goes in the lockbox. Or wait, this part goes in the lockbox. That part goes to the mill. I have 12.8 cords in there, or on there. Hey Perry, this one's for you. There, I marked this side of the load. I gotta go mark the other side. I'll let the journey begin down to the paper mill. I don't even think it's less than 50 miles, somewhere in that vicinity. Alright, I'll just skip that gear. We're rolling downhill. Should be able to make money with a truck that gets 30 miles to the gallon. Let's try that again. Oh, wait a minute. What's that 4.4 stuff? I'm not stopping here to look at the train. That truck will bounce it right out of you. I really wish I could show you the loader and unloading me, but I can't. It's against policy, so unless you can talk Adam into getting me a variance or something. Yeah, I messed up. I should have trusted my gauge. It told me I weighed just about 82,000 pounds, and that's too light. I should have weighed 90. That's what the truck weighs, 36,340 pounds. Forward or in the way. Forward or in the way. Well, let's see how close I am with this load. Pretty close to 90 this time, a little over. Oh, my butt itches. Oh, yeah. This one's for you too, Perry. Don't put me in jail. Well, that's pretty good. See that switch right there? It says swing. We're gonna look back at the loader. I'm gonna flip that switch. Look at that. It swings the loader. You need to swing the loader while it's getting unloaded. They do the front half, and then you swing the loader so they can do the back half. And with that little gadget, you don't have to get out of your truck. You can climb up and down that ladder. Somebody must be having trouble at the automated scale. Can't figure it out. So Gary was nice enough to run over and help him. I used this hard hat today at the mill. I felt taller. I felt stronger. I felt smarter. I felt like a better lover. Oh, wait. Yeah, never mind that last part. Well, I just pulled a good one. Loading up the dozer here. Right here. I wanted to get off the main road so I didn't block anybody. And you can see I've been trying to get out. A little too slimy. I'm stuck. My helper's here. Come on, quarter. Nothing to it. Thanks, Jeff. Kids don't ever try this. I don't try this. I don't. Kids don't ever try this at home. We got a ghost driving that Komatsu because this road is slicker than snot, and somebody slid off in the ditch that normally isn't soft. Come on, keep pushing, girl, keep pushing. Get on the road. We're almost on the road. Okay, we're on the road. Uh-oh. I got ahead of the dozer, now it's gonna bang me. Alright, I gotta run back there and stop it. Well, that's a nice buck rub. Really nice. I wouldn't mind seeing that girl. Girl? It's not girl. I forgot to do a before and after here, but this is a mud hole that always formed during a lot of rain. Tried to drain it off to this side over here. Well, my trailer broke in half, so I'm gonna have to back up here. See if I can hook it back up. Of course, I'm being a smart aleck. Just hooking back up to the detach. See if it latched. No! Try that again. My knob came loose. I should say the shifter knob in the lowboy truck here. So I popped out the Eaton Fuller thing, and now I'm gonna take this out. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. Well, that was stupid. Now I got air coming out here. I took the wrong thing apart. Now I got this, I got a little ball, little spring. Yeah, I took the wrong thing apart. So I took the two screws holding this on. I slide that down. That's the nut that came loose on me. This thing right there. That's... So when I took this knob off, everything's under pressure, so it kind of blew around. I did see this, and I thought, well, that must fit in there. And I'm like, well, how does that seal? It fits too far down in there. And then I found this. I'm like, oh, the seal must sit on that. Then I found a little red spring. Oh, that must put pressure against it. Well, there must be one more. So I looked around and I did find another one. So hopefully now I have all the pieces to put this back together now that I understand it. My knob's tight. It seems to be working. Yes, no leakage. Hey, I hope you had a great day. Thanks for watching.